Good morning, grade 3. Today is 24th of March 2020, and our lesson for this week is about division and multiplication. So it is important in this lesson that you know your basic multiplication and division facts. So first, I'm going to teach you how to identify um, fact families for division and multiplication. Let's start. Okay, so we will only focus on writing the different multiplication and division sentences. Okay, so number one, there are two methods that I'm going to teach you to get the multiplication and division sentences. But the first one is using a fact family. So you will see in this example, I wrote 3 times 6. Okay, we know that 3 times 6 is equal to 18. Okay, so I put it inside a triangle to show you the relationship of these three numbers. Okay, so 18, the biggest number, should be at the top of the triangle, and 3 and 6 on the other side of the triangle. So you can write here 6, you can write here 3, it's fine. Okay, so and I put here the two operations, division and multiplication. So you will notice 3 times 6 is 18 and 6 times 3 is 18. On the other hand, we have 18 divided by 3 equals 6 and 18 divided by 6 equals 3. These numbers are interrelated to each other. So using this fact family, we will be able to identify the four multiplication and division sentences. Okay, so now we have 1. So we can inverse this, 6 and 3. 6 times 3 equals 18. And then now let's write the division sentence. We have 18 divided by 3 equals 6. And 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So as easy as that. So another method that we can use, or another way of writing the multiplication or identifying the multiplication and division sentences, is using the multiplication table. So this is what we call multiplication table. Okay, I'm gonna give you one example. Let's say I have 5, from the 5 times table, 5 times 6, okay? So 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, so the answer is 30. So we have 5. We can write here 5 times 6. Let's start with the multiplication sentences. 5 times 6 equals 30. And 6 times 5 equals 30. Now let's write the division sentences. Let's just inverse, okay? Let's get first the bigger number, 30 divided by 5 equals 6. And 30 divided by 6 equals 5. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. So this is another easy method or easy way of getting the multiplication and division facts. Okay, so I will just add another way of getting the multiplication and division sentences. This one is the most basic, which is using an array. So first you're going to count the objects. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so there are 18 objects or 18 stars. Okay, now how many groups are there? How many groups are there? So 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 groups. So that is 18 divided into 3 groups is equal to how many? How many stars are in each group? There are 6. Okay. So from there, you can reverse this. So 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Now let's write the multiplication sentence. So we have 3 groups. And every group has 6 stars, so 3 times 6 equals 18, and 6 times 3 equals 18. So as simple as that. Okay?